Hi guys, so welcome to week 4 of Watch Data Roulette. Okay, so I have, as you can probably tell, I have my base on, not fully, no concealer, just foundation and brows. Just gonna do the usual, scrolling, okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. So the video I chose was...
Hey girlies, it's Tammy, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a little tutorial using my Tropical Carnival palette. So
anyway, yeah, she does like a rainbow eye, so red, pink and orange, blue, green and purple on this side. Please do not start raining. Okay, so the first shade she starts with is a dark purple. I have all my brushes, all the brushes I'll need, and I use the dense CO6 brush for purple, so I'm just gonna use that on there. So just tap it in, and it's called Gurneys. I forgot to say earlier. Okay, this brush here, and I'm going to go into Trini, which is the red right here, and then pop that in the middle of my lid. Ooh, I love me a red. Okay, so right now, just stamping. We'll get to the blending a bit later. I'm just building it up a bit. This is a nice red. Because I really thought I didn't have any nice reds in my collection. Like true reds is what I mean. I have to get it, but now I know. I have a mini selection now. Alright, so I'm going to get another brush. So we'll pop the orange in the area that's left over. I think I could have brought the red over a bit more. So I'm going to do that in a moment. Let me just put the orange down first. I'm just going back in with the red again. Then we're going to go back into the orange. Yeah, so I'm going to get a brush and then I'm going to put the yellow on top of the orange just to make it a brighter orange. Oh, it does work! Okay, you haven't blended yet, so don't judge yet. I'm looking, I'm like... Okay, she goes back into the red. Just get this at the top there. Okay. Okay, and then back into the purple as well. See, it's a good thing I separated the brushes. Okay. Why does it look so much better on her? So I'm going to go in with the B06 and go into the pink panther. There. She said a little bit, but I took quite a bit. Okay. That's the best I could do. Alright, and then we're going to blend it out. Am I doing this wrong? I feel like it doesn't look as good as hers. It doesn't look as nice as hers. Okay, keep going. Oh, she's done with this eye. Yeah, no, mine doesn't look nice yet. So I'm going to go back in with the purple. And build it up. I'm just going to build up each shade a bit more. But I don't know what's going on. Okay, it's looking better already. Oh, I found out how to say the yellow now is Juvet. My French teacher will be so upset because I don't remember anything. Oh no. Good times, good times. B06 with the pink again. Just slightly at the edge. That's better. Oh, in the corner I forgot. Ooh. So we're going to use the broken shade. I think it's called Calypso or Soca. One of them. I think it's Soca. This one's Soca. Just going to put that in the inner corner. We're going to start with this colour and put it in the outer corner. Wow. Wow. Okay, slow down, slow down. Wow. I like this blue. Yeah. Alright, then let me just blend out the edge first. Okay, we're going into this green right here. It's called St. Catherine. And tapping that into the middle of the lid. Oh, this is a nice colour as well. I like my cool toned colours. Yeah, like that. Oh, it actually looks in the mirror in the palette. This eye looks a lot better than I thought it looks on camera. But okay, and then the inner yellow. I'm going to use the same brush that I used for the yellow earlier, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Yeah, okay. Come through yellow. Oh no, I'm in love. Oh, it's looking so much better now. Oh, I was going to get upset. Yeah, tap it over the green to blend the two shades. Then she goes into Bacchanal. And which is the blue, right? And then we're just gonna blend out the green and blue part of the eye. Oh, I think that's the eye. Oh yeah, inner corner. Ooh, my favourite shade. We're going into Calypso and pop that in the inner corner. So I'm going to do the rest of my face. Yeah, so I'll be back. Alright, that's my base done. Except for blush, highlight and my lips. Lashes are on. And I'm going to mix Trini and Pink Panther together. Hopefully cause a sort of hybrid blush. Woo! I'm about to go with it now, but wow. Okay, it's gonna be a very intense blush today. The lashes I'm wearing are called Marina Act. That is inspired by Marina and the Diamonds. This is before my time, I don't know what that is. She is young, fun, bold and ready to take on the world. Yeah, I think, yeah, this look makes me feel like that. So that's why I chose those lashes from Demure Lashes. Like, honestly, they're some of my favourite lashes I've ever used, so. Oh my god, my lip. My cheeks are so bright. Oh no. I'm going to spray my face and try and blend it in a bit more that way. Okay. Okay, that's better. Yeah. It was just a bit too intense. Yeah, that's better. I was thinking, wow, I really had like a flashback to when I was doing the drag looks. Like, so let me get highlight. Okay, I'll do Girl Next Door and Chick Fruit. I don't know, but the Chick one I'm going to use, seeing as I've gone extra pink today, unintentionally. Shooting star is what I'm looking like currently. I knew I had it, but I didn't remember. Literally brushes everywhere. So I'll go back into Soka. And then into the other side of the brush, because I'm lazy. And go into Calypso. It just takes your look to the next level sometimes, you know? It's like you're missing something. It's that inner corner. Okay, so what she does, she gets a pink eyeliner for this side. Okay, what I'm going to do on this side, I'm going to do a white eyeliner. I think that would be a nice contrast. Warm side first. So just like we did in the beginning, go in with, move over, sorry. Go in with the purple, the outer, go back into the red, and Trini in the middle. Oh, I just did. And then finally we're going to go into the orange. I don't remember the name, but yeah, back into the orange. The cooler side, just repeat the same colours again. The dark blue, then into the green, and then into Juvet. The last thing I have to do, I'm going to use my I Heart Revolution in Guava and Rose. Woo. That went right in my mouth. This is the final look, guys. Come a bit closer. Which side is your favourite side? I think my favourite side, as you probably predicted, is this one. So, yeah. So this is week 4, watch later roulette. Please like, comment and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.